Twendeni to lock in. It's Tuesday morning. We're just having breakfast. Tawi is already up and ready for his breakfast. Yay! And the donuts. All right. Good morning. Tawi wants to show you his telemi. So he picked this watch somewhere and it was not fixed, like this part. So he was so stressed out. Jana the whole day he was walking around the homestead looking for this part. Akaipata pia, imagine, and fixed it. Now he came and told me now he owns a telemi. Do you know telemi watches? Okay, tell them about your watch. You said I vlog your watch.
So cool.
Mm.
I take a stone and I start doom. And then I put it together.
Wow. Tawi the
Builder.
Tawi the builder, baby. You're such an awesome builder. I love that you love building things. Yeah. You're gonna be such a great man someday, building amazing things. What would you love to build when you become a big person?
Car.
Wow.
Telemi.
Telemika, watches, Oh, nice.
Pico.
Pico Pico is what?
Motorbike.
Okay, Pico Pico. Oh, that is really, really nice. So you should watch videos of people who build cars and people who build watches. Okay? So now let's see what God wants us to know today. So guys, this is something that me Ufanya may randomly open the Bible and just see the word that God wanted to communicate to me today. So yeah, I like how this Bible is labeled. This is like the best gift someone has ever gifted me. Unaona kweli? Let me show you. Mbona hatu focus? Hey, Mr. Telami yawa. Hata kwa Bible. My eyes have gone here. Arise, O Lord, save me, O my God, for you have struck all my enemies on the cheekbone. You have broken the teeth of the ungodly. Salvation belongs to the Lord. Your blessing is upon your people. Selah. Oh, wow.
Please bless me with the thing.
Your blessing is upon your people. Such a good affirmation.
I wanna get smart.
It's a beautiful day. Watu wa huko wako aje? Wrapping up my devotion, I decided to read again while Tara was playing. And imagine I've opened the same book, the same part again. Hiyo sasa, hiyo si coincidence, like the same part. You remember the first time I opened with Tawi tulifungwa hapa, he arise, oh Lord, save me, oh my God. So now I've opened again. It was like before to bed and start the house routine because we have homeschool at 10. Let me get the word again. Nikafungwa the same place, and this time round what caught my eye was here. Be angry and do not sin. Meditate within your heart on your bed and be still. Wow. Offer the sacrifices of righteousness and put your trust in the Lord. Then after that, while I was meditating on that, my eye went here again to now chapter 8 that says, I will both lie down in peace and sleep. For you alone, O Lord, make me dwell in safety. Wow. Wow. What a beautiful word in the morning. Wow. Hey, mpaka vitu za super drum zimekuja. Wow. Okay, we are all showered now, ready to start homeschool. Tawinde ule ameshajikalisha. This is my fit for home today. Just hoodie, sweats, socks. Where to start with schooling? Let me show you what we are doing for today. Today we're supposed to color the lighter objects, okay? Between this and this one, which one is lighter?
Balloon.
Good job. And here between book and pencil?
Pencil.
So we are gonna color balloon and
Pencil.
good. So which one is heavy? Padlock or leaf?
Padlock.
Here color the light object red and the heavy object green. I'm gonna continue with my book a little bit. Yeah, and then we'll have our second dose of breakfast after tumemaliza hii. Guys, what do you think? I love it. Hey, focus. Unaona? Ndaiget baadaye. My baby is a builder. My baby is a builder. My baby is a builder. A builder. It's raining in the morning. Escafiti. I love like real early morning rain. So my phone, this Rio is it's a knockoff of S25 Ultra. So the inbuilt camera cannot recognize an external device that has been called for a microphone. So that's the problem. But if I use like InShot, when I'm editing on InShot, or like when I use the editing apps and I use the camera, let's say if I have VO, then it's I use the microphone doing a VO, then it works perfectly well. So I don't know. Ni kama I'll be vlogging more, like nitakuwa nafanya ma VO more, but we'll reduce the chatter for now because I still the voice can't be louder. Man, nimejaribu. Like the whole morning, that's what I've been trying to do. I haven't even done anything other than because I was trying to edit up a video that I had shot for a funeral home parlor. So I had struggled like for almost 3 hours to just get the audio right for the reel. Now, hey, ilikuwa imenisumbua sana, but finally I hacked it via InShot.
What's up? Dallah here with another video of a place that you should definitely check out when you're in or around my village, which is Sega in Siaya County, Kenya. Now, on the 1st of August marked 8 years of two remarkable women in business in my community running the biggest funeral home parlor in Nyanza in Western Kenya. Right here is Same Day Classmates Funeral Parlor, a place dedicated to providing compassionate and affordable funeral services for my community. While we hope that we won't need these services anytime soon, I'm sorry, Tom, it's actually comforting to know that they are here when we need them. I did not record the inside for obvious reasons. One, I was legit scared. Two, data protection, because Same Day is dedicated to giving your loved ones a dignified send-off. But I have to commend them for how they've managed to bring out life inside the morgue. Talk about the plants. the flowers, the vibrant colors on the walls. Like, I was honestly wowed. It's so pretty. It looks so cute. It's so lively. Ataikai mog, to be quite honest. Another thing I loved about them is they actually have a chapel inside there. So when you come to dispatch your loved ones, you can actually find a moment of prayer. Look at the beautiful, beautiful colors. So, so vibrant. To top it off, their dark humor is just something off. There's a gentleman there by the name Tom. Atakuangalia na kuambia nangoja ukuja akutengeneze. As a plant girly, I was wowed. I also met this amazing, amazing plant called Eugenia. There's this thing they've done with the umbrella tree over there where they have a passion shade. Passion fruit is in a hang too. It's so, so beautiful. Ndio hii hapa. Look at it. Also, other than treating the bodies well, they have these services where they offer burial dresses, burial suits, sandal, flowers, caskets, lowering gear, has all that shebang to make your funeral arrangements run smoothly. A thing I found very interesting was the choice of names, same day classmates. So apparently, the two directors were classmates in high school and their husbands died on the same day, the 19th of May. Hence, same day classmates funeral parlor. I'm not hoping that you need their services anytime soon, but should you do, make sure that you pass by there along the Kisumu Busia Highway. Say hi to the gentleman there called Tom. Tell him Dallah said wagwan and I'm not coming anytime soon. Thank you so much for keeping up with my blogs. I'm gonna show you again another place very, very soon. So stick around and watch out for that vlog. But for now, bye.
So sahi ndio nataka kwanza my motherhood chores. I have dishes that I need to clean. I haven't even had breakfast mimi mwenyewe. The kids have just had popcorns. All the popcorns I left for myself ati nitakuja kukula. Hey. The boy and his friends have dealt with them. So mi sina kitu cha kukula. I don't have popcorns. I have rice, but sina mayai. I love whipping mayai inside rice and then it's raining. So I have this rice, maybe I'll just whip that for myself for breakfast. And then, yeah.
Nani alisiaga?
Wenye hapa. Bosca is just following us. Yes. Oh my gosh, we're just watching a baby got eat. It's so cute. Ooh. Story has his first lesson of money. What are you buying? 50 bob. Look at the cakes he's looking at. 280, 190. That's mambo ya kubudget ni ngumu. Mtu anafikirianga tu mama huwa anamnyima pesa. Amini venye hakuna keki ya chwani. So your cake was 55 bob. Anakurudishia change. Are you using the change or are you saving? Good job. Nimeamka na Rihanna, by the way. I don't know what's going on, but Ri is on my mind so much. So yeah. Acha to have breakfast. Hey, skin is giving. Nilishapika chai iko kwa flask. Imagine. Ndio tunataka kunywa. Okay, mimi ndio nataka kunywa chai. Tawi already had uji in the morning. So me I want to have breakfast now. Ndio nimemalizana na errands and then we lock in. I think I must start editing the weekend vlog today. Yeah. Ndio nisikuwe na kazi mingi tena kama Sunday. Right. Good morning. fit ni t-shirt and a mini skirt, just that. Yes, Tawi. I'm with my cousin, the one who gave me the flowers.
Calling Sokika for Kika Landscaping. Stay tuned.
Okika Junior.
Okika Junior.
Now we've come to Mama's house. We are trying to add more flowers onto her little patio. We did this side. Kolo amekuwa inspired because I did a lot this side. So nakumbuka I showed you guys how we formed this one. Yeah. So I think nilionyesha when we pandad these ones. I'm not sure if you've watched that vlog. I don't know. But yeah. So I added some back there. This is the house I grew up in. This is the house I was born in. This is my mother's house. Yeah. She didn't live on it long though. I wish God let her enjoy her house and her compound, but we will enjoy on her behalf. So Kolo has just decided that we are adding more here. Wacha niweke kamera vizuri mzione.
So we trim it like a box or a circular motion.
Trim this one?
Yeah, and trim this with a box.
Yeah.
So
oh, by the way, why can't we change the shape of these ones? Come to think about it. Yeah, they've been like this for the longest.
Yeah, there's a box just to add some
Amati. Yeah. I feel like writing my mom's name is Tekla. So
we can do a T.
We can do a T here and a T the other side on that other one.
It's all about you.
Yours. Oh my god, guys. Very soon takuwa landscaper. Takuwa kama Kolo very soon. Hey, unaona ma landscaper ma viatu zenye wamevaa?
Hey. Hey.
I see you. So you added these two. I just hope that kuku haitazikanyaga haki. Kai. Unajua kuku pia ndo ziko busy na hizi flowers. But we're adding more. Huyu msichana naongelesha hata hajakula kitu kutoka mke.
So just remember when you pluck, wherever you pluck, there are two buddings. That is how it gives it a body.
What do you mean two buddings?
Here. Unaona sasa hapa. Itatoa ingine. Itatoa like two buddings.
Oh.
Itakuwa na body in short.
Okay.
Yes.
I love it.
So
okay, I'm so excited about trimming these ones to letter T.
Yeah. But I'm happy you're doing a good job.
Thank you.
I gave you the flowers, but you don't find them now.
Umeona ni kama I'm serious?
You're serious. You are. And I'm happy about that.
Thank you. Thank you for the inspiration, man.
So at least now, you make a 1-1 and double. So whenever you plant something, close range, you make a double.
Oh, the body.
The beauty.
Oh, okay.
So 1, 2. So you need double. So next take a half, then half. Then you're done. So another one can be put there.
Dear Mama, I hope you like the flowers.
There.
Mara nisikie tu sauti ikinijibu. Yes, I like them. We're trying to color block because I feel like the home is too green.
Yeah. So
we'll add yellow and red. Na pale katikati pia. The garden ndo sijamalizana nayo. Nikianzana na pa. Huku I don't think I'll do anything because these guys are way too busy in here. Also, guys, something that I'm happy about. The mangoes have started coming, guys. The mangoes have started.
I didn't know this will survive. If you want to know, you're doing a good job. If this thing is surviving, you are good at flowering.
Mumesikia nimepatiwa tag.
If this thing is working out for you, then you're a florist.
I'm a florist.
Yeah, you are.
Add that to my cup. Actually, it's so gorgeous. It's so healthy.
I told you, this is the only plant that communicates. If it's too hot, it will tell you.
Yeah.
If it is too dry, it will tell you.
Yeah.
If it's not happy, it will tell you.
Yeah. And like there's a time it wasn't happy and it was really communicating to me.
Yeah.
Mpaka I just started water. Every day I'd wake up and naipata tu like a jug of water. Now it's just we're just praying. It's called a prayer plant because inafanya hivi mkono.
Yeah, it's among the flowers that it can smile, it can frown, and it can cry.
And then sometimes it just folds hivi mpaka igeuke kama hii, guys. Ikwe hivi. Yani, oh, that is so beautiful.
Then there's a time itafanya hivi. Ukiona imefanya hivi, we are doing a wonderful job. Yani
na si inafanyanga
then
hivyo.
you're good. Then you're good.
Yeah.
Ikifanya tu hivi, ukiona ikifanya hivi, ujue uko pazuri.
Oh my god, like in the morning when you wake up, inakwanga imelala hivi
Yes.
chini. Saa hii saa sita ndio sasa imesimama straight.
So at least haina try kuregulate surface area ya evapotranspiration. So ina try kureduce jua isipige area yote. So unaona kama saa hii kwa hivi jua itapiga tu hapa.
Wow.
It is so intelligent. I think watu wa kitambo walikuwa wanaitumia kuona kama kuna drought or something.
This one I just added yesterday, guys. Imagine kameshika. Enye I'm a florist now.
Yeah, you are.
Huh?
I'm shocked. You meshika.
Me, the ones that have actually surprised me are the snake plants. Like I didn't see the snake plants doing well. Like I'm actually surprised kabisa. Angalia huyu venye ame sprout.
Yeah, itatoa, yeah.
Naona.
Then this is aloe vera. Wow, this is nice.
Hey, but the aloe is struggling. Ndo kameshika.
No, about this don't worry. It will struggle. Why? Because unaimwagia maji daily. Remember, these are cactus.
Aki, it's struggling though. Wow, every time the leaves come, inakatika.
No, haikatiki.
Inakulwa.
Inakulwa.
Na kuku.
Not kuku. Grasshopper, vitu kama hivyo.
Oh.
Ama caterpillar. So it is just okay. You're doing a good job. Continue. It'll grow then.
But come see the tubers this side. I know the tubers have really done well. Wow, really well. Unaona this whole line, they've really done well.
Hi, Tawi. You're doing a good job with Mama, right? Good boy.
He's obsessed. He's obsessed. Even him, he wakes up in the morning like, Mom. He checks the flowers. The first thing we do is checking flowers.
Maybe that is how it will be landscape as well.
Yeah. First thing we do.
So whatever you do, always maintain straight line.
Okay.
Then it just changes the place.
But now, what I'm wondering is, like these ones, will they grow big? Ama then spread?
You saw mine.
Yeah.
That is how they will grow.
Okay.
Don't worry about it. Has it a pita hapa?
Na has it a break?
Now, unaona hii?
I don't know why if they bend zinakatika.
No, don't worry. With time, they will just be strong. So because in overlap even. You can even trim it.
I've started seeing butterflies again in the compound, and I've started seeing birds again. Like, quite honest, unaona tu butterflies. Nowadays, there's so many butterflies in the garden. There's so many birds in the morning. Like, now the most gorgeous one is this one. I don't know how this one just survives here.
Now,
nobody cuts it.
Yeah. What is this? Auntie?
My cousin amekuja akani distract, tukaingia kwa maua. So I think I'll just make lunch, then tufanye homeschool in the afternoon because the boy is already playing. Sitaki saa kumtoa kwa play juu nimechelewa. Yeah. I'm just done eating. My God, guys, I've made the meanest pilau. It's so yummy. Like today we had a money lesson. I gave him 50 bob to go and budget for himself in the supermarket. And yeah. So we have some coloring lesson, and then also we'll do here. After coloring is good because in center he'll have at least a quiet time, be present with himself, and just get lost in the colors. So I love this one very much because one, it's a wellness routine even for me. So I feel like it's a good thing for him to adapt and keep doing. Yeah. I want to finish my lunch. Then I think when Tawi is drawing, I don't know if niendelee na Daniel still ama niendelee na some series nililetewa hapa kwa simu because nilienda na lapi yenye ija charge ama I don't want to doom scroll. Nimesha doom scroll enough. Nimesha post enough memes on status. Actually, I'm such a meme sharer. Well, I'm a chronic status sharer. So he has just started his thing. But baby, remember what we talked about? The places that are white? Make sure you color. Watakwenda raka. Let's go back to this one, okay? Yeah. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, guys. Tawi's done with his schoolwork. I want to get to editing. There's a reel, the 30-second reel. So I'm about to edit that one, and then ni post it, and then another main vlog. I feel like eating again round two. Man, the pilau slapped. Sija enjoy pilau yangu lakini ya leo, I don't know. I don't know. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Good morning. We're about to have breakfast. A girl wants to have tea and yoyo, and that's what we're doing. We're having tea and yoyo, and then we will clean.
2, 3,
Plus,
8 plus 1,
let's see.
7, 8 plus
Good job. Plus,
1,
good job.
8, 9.
Good job. Yes. You've gotten the concept. I love it. Thank you, baby. We are preparing the land for planting round 2. We've already limad uku. Yeah. You remember the mbogas that were here? Zile masukuma nilikuwa nashinda na vlog hapa. Kuku ilizikula, like we literally just achana tunayo. I love gifting people things from the farm. Nasikia vizuri. I'm like, oh wow. Oh wow. Looking so beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. I love when I just see birds circling around the compound. It's always so nice. It's a pretty chill. The homestead is pretty chill. Most of the tenants are out to duty. Yeah. Ni mmoja tu ndio yuko mama Ethan ndio ule pale, and then yeah, the kids are all just playing there because our neighbor's son got a new puppy. So all the kids are playing with Vasha. The puppy is called Vasha. If they allow me, I'll show you guys Vasha. But yeah, pia kuna kaku green. The homestead is looking pretty actually. I love it. Yeah. Good morning. Let's just heading to the lodge to lock in for tomorrow's happy hour. Let me show you the fit for the day. This cute sweater my cousin gifted me, pants, and then I've done my shoes. I've just done Adidas. Then I've carried my kiondo because I have lots of things that need to be charged. Nataka ni recharge vitu mingi sana. So yeah. Happy Friday, guys. Oh, I feel like I'm cute, Mazi. Also, I'm on the lip butter by Lucille. Yeah, cute, very. So Tavi is on. He's going to church with the kids at the homestead. All of them are Adventists, so they're going to church today. And today is happy hour day. So we're introducing happy hour at Segaloj. I think I've mentioned this before. So yeah, I'm excited about that, and I'm also nervous about it. I hope Wasewata come through, Yani. I hope people will come through. I wanted to go and garden like Mama's patio up there. Yeah. So I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll do it. Like I'm so nowadays, if I don't garden, actually gardening is like gym for me. Like if I don't garden, nasikia tu there's something wrong. I did kuna nikutolea jeans ya kudrip. Terry has picked his outfit. This black trouser, shirt, summer starts, Spider-Man socks. These are Terry's favorite socks. I'm telling you. 12:30. I have the house to myself. I mean, we've been gardening with Chris, who's the home technician who helps me handle the homestead, like our groundsman, from like about 7 in the morning. Him, his wife, and yeah, him and his wife from like 7 in the morning. Tumefanya mambo, so I'm tired. This is our leftover dinner for Jana. I'm about to have this. I know Chawi won't want to eat the head. He only likes eyes. When he comes back from church, I'm gonna fix him his lunch. But me nataka kudimbua hii. Okay, I might not finish all this ugali, but yeah. Nilo.